Hello guys, welcome to this new video on Python. In this video we are going to see about pattern programming, and we will see specifically how to print patterns of star which resemble to alphabet. So in this first video we'll be seeing about the A pattern. You can choose any Python platform like online Python compilers, or else you can type this in idle or Jupyter notebook. It's your wish. So let's start with the problem. We'll first divide this A into the form of a matrix. So the number of columns that you can see here is like so we have a column number from 0 to 6. The row column, if we see, so we have a total number of 6 rows. So this A can be printed in the form of a matrix. You can see here that 0 is included because in Python indexing always starts from 0. So let's start with Jupyter Notebook. So to print out pattern for every row and every column, we will be using two for loops in Python. So we will go it as like for every row in the range of, as you saw that the pattern was ranging in the number of rows from 0 to 6, and the number of columns were also ranging from 0 to 6. We'll write in the range of 0 to 7 because 7 will be excluded, so the range will be from 0 to 6. And for the column 2 we will be printing for col in range of 0 to 7. So now simply to print the star in the form of a, you just need to write an if else statement, and we will be printing the stars only on the specific locations. Like here you can see that we need a line of stars on the 0th column as well as the 6th column first, and then we need a line of stars which is at the 0th row as well as the 3rd row. So we will write an if else condition for this thing. So we write if col is equal to 0 or col is equal to 6. We have put here an or condition because we need that if any of this condition is true, so it should print a star, or else it should not print a star simply. So this was the first condition, and then we will write the condition for the rows. So we write or row is equal to 0 or row is equal to 3. So we want star at this specific locations, so we will be printing a star there, and at the end of every star we want it concatenated to the next star. So for that we have an end attribute here which will allow us to print the star consequently. And after printing the star, in the else condition we will be writing that if this condition is not matched, we will be printing a blank space, because in the pattern you can see here that we have a blank space here, then this is a blank space, this is a blank space, this is a blank space. So we need to print blank spaces all of this position, and this is the case where the conditions are not matched. So we write print end, and once you have printed the first line we need to go to the second line so that the pattern is continued. So we simply write here print. So this thing is only for moving to the second line. So now let's run the code and let's see whether our A pattern is printing or not. So we are getting a A pattern in such a manner, but as you saw here in the pattern we have a blank space at this location where the column is 0 as well as the row is also 0, and we have a blank space at this position where the row is 0 and the column is 6. So for these two positions we need to put like an extra condition for specifically only these two stars. So we will write and the row is not equal to 0, and we complete this thing with an bracket. Just like the column, for the row part we will also write a condition that the column, so here you can see that the column is greater than 0 and it is lesser than 6. So we only need stars at this row where this condition is met. So we write col greater than 0 and col less than 6. Let's run this. So we are getting the final A output as we desired. So this was how you can print the star pattern of an alphabet A in Python. I hope that this video is clear to you, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to write in the comment section. In the next video, we'll see the pattern for B. Till then, if you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.